All right, so this is the wire that it comes in the packet. So basically this piece here is wired into the factory. So the wire that comes with it will hook on to the new lens there. And then you'll attach that to the factory plug here. And then you'll tap into the mirror signal. If you have one, it will be a wire blue and red. So you use that, and that's the wire that comes to here, and you will not be using this. And that's all you do. Plain and simple. There's nothing to remove or disconnect. So this is for your 2019 GMC or Chevy tow mirrors.